We will discuss about cell and their history. Cell is the building block of life. Cell is the structure and functional unit of life. All living things, whether plants or animal, unicellular or multicellular, are made of cell. All activities of the organism are performed by cell in the form of organ, tissue, organ system. We will discuss in detail about cell and their history. This is the electron microscope picture of cell. Below is the cell of the neuron cell. You will know the level of cellular organization, that cell combine to form tissue and tissue combine to form organ, and organ combine to form organ system, and organ system, different organ system combine to form whole organism. If something goes wrong with the cell, it can affect the entire body of an organism. For example, the poison cyanide. If we take the poison cyanide, it shut down the mitochondria of the cell, then it will produce no energy and cause death of the organism. Composition of the cell. Cells are made of different biomolecule, protein, lipids, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, etc. make up and are produced by cell. For example, phospholipid, cholesterol, protein and carbohydrate make the cell membrane. Between cell membrane and nuclear membrane there is a region called cytoplasm contain organelle little organ, small living structure. Each with have specific function. For example, mitochondria is responsible for cellular respiration, powerhouse of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is like a circulatory system of the cell, responsible for transport between nucleoplasm, cytoplasm and also to the outside. Ribosome is the protein factory, is responsible for the synthesis of protein. Lysosome is responsible for the breakdown of different toxic substances. This is the cross-section view of an animal cell. Now we are come to the history of the cell. For the first time, Robert Hooke in 1665 observed dead cell and coined the term cell. The live cell was seen for the first time by Antony van Leeuwenhoek with the help of his simple microscope. The three scientists Schleiden, Schwann and Virchow, after studying plant and animal cell, formulate a theory called cell theory, which have the following points. Cells are the structural and functional unit of all living things. All living things are composed of cell. All living things, whether plants or animal, unicellular or multicellular, are made of cell. New cells are produced from pre-existing cells by cell division. We will talk about shortly about microscope, which have main role in cell study. Light microscope can magnify up to 1000 times. Simple microscope consists of one lens. Compound microscope consists of two lenses which work together. Electron microscope use a beam of electron to create image which can magnify up to 5 lakh times. Transmission electron show interior of an object, while scanning electron microscope show exterior feature. This is the microscopic picture of bacteria by light microscope, transmission electron microscope and scanning electron microscope. You can see the comparison. Cell have two main division: eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are without a true nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have true nucleus. The kingdom Monera is the only kingdom which are made of prokaryotic cells, which consist of bacteria and blue-green algae. Bacteria and blue-green algae are made of prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, all remaining kingdom are made of eukaryotic cells. Protista kingdom, Plantae kingdom, Animalia kingdom, Fungi. Prokaryote are the first organism on the surface of Earth. Pro mean before, karyon mean nucleus, have primitive type of nucleus. Bacteria are prokaryote. Eukaryote have true nucleus. You mean true, karyon mean nucleus. Eukaryotes evolved after prokaryotes. Prokaryotes appeared about 3.8 billion years ago, while eukaryotes appeared about 1.5 billion years ago. Plants, animal, fungi, and protists are eukaryotes made of eukaryotic cell. Summary of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are small, while eukaryotic cells are large. Prokaryotic cells are always unicellular. Eukaryotic cells are often multicellular. Prokaryotic cells have no nucleus and no membrane-bounded organelle. Eukaryotic cells have true nucleus and other membrane-bounded organelle. The DNA of prokaryotic cells are circular without protein, while the DNA of eukaryotic cells are linear and associated with protein to form chromatin. Prokaryotic cell ribosome are small 70s, while the ribosome of eukaryotic cell are large 80s. Prokaryotic cells have no cytoskeleton, while eukaryotic cells have cytoskeleton. The cell division of prokaryotic cell is by binary fission A mitosis, while the cell division of eukaryotic cell is by mitosis or meiosis. Prokaryotic cells have only asexual reproduction, while eukaryotic cells have both sexual and asexual reproduction. Thank you very much.